So you're thinking about shooting videos, huh? Well, in this 60-second photography tip, we bring you 3 tips for getting professional results. Tip number 1, set your shutter speed to double your frame rate. In this case, I'm shooting at 30 frames per second, so I would set my shutter speed to 1/60th. This is to ensure smooth motion during playback. Tip number 2, if you ever find yourself without a gimbal or tripod, you can use your arms as a stabilizer. By tucking your arms in close to your body, you can significantly improve your video quality. Tip number 3, use a polarized or ND filter while shooting. Using one of these little filters helps you control the amount of light hitting your sensor so you can get better exposure. Some filters allow you to control the amount of filtration, so you can adjust that instead of your settings. So tell us below in the comments, what tips do you guys have for shooting video?